How to redeem Steam gift card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create Login and Delete, and in today's video I'm going to teach you on how can you redeem Steam gift card. So to begin, open the Google browser on your PC, laptop or mobile phone, then open a new tab and then in the search bar navigate to steampowered.com and hit enter. This will take you to the official webpage of Steam. Ensure that you are signed in to your account, and if not, provide your account credentials to log in. Once signed in, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner and then simply scroll down and select Account Details. In the Account Details section, click on the option to add funds to the Steam wallet. Once there, you'll find the option to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Enter the gift card number and ensure that it's correct. After entering the details, click Continue. Note that if the gift card is not from your country, it will be automatically converted if redeemable in your region. Some gift card and currencies may require you to enter your address. Once all is done, click Continue to successfully redeem your Steam gift card. This is how you can redeem Steam gift card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching till the very end.